Hello and welcome to this lesson on how to play a G chord. As soon as you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Put your hand in a closed fist position. Slowly open up your fingers, keeping them well rounded, as if you're holding on to a tennis ball. Place your thumb on the neck behind the fretboard, keeping it well hidden. Step 2. Begin with your fourth finger and press down on the first string, 3rd fret. Then, using your first finger, press down on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Finally, using your 3rd finger, press down on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Use the tip of your fingers to press down on the strings and make sure your fingers are well rounded. Step 3. Put your thumb or a pick on the 6th string. Slide down across the strings as smoothly as possible, like this. Do these 3 steps every day 10 times. The more you practice, the better you become at playing a G chord. Keep up the good work, and please subscribe so that you never miss a lesson and you make the most out of these video tutorials. Good luck and see you next lesson.